Wake up, the followers of AI Zone! Midjourney has just released its most requested feature, and that is consistent characters. Do you want to make images like these with the same characters in each scene? Maybe a girl in the mythical jungle, maybe a trip to Egypt, maybe a cartoon, or maybe a gangster. So let's start with just how to trigger this new feature. So first, you are going to need a character. You are going to need a face that you want to use in your all the generations. So let's start by naming our character with Alexa that came from with a prompt. A beautiful woman in beautiful dress, straight view, front portrait, cinematic style. Now we can type our prompt. We can imagine any new scene, it doesn't really matter. But if we want to see Alexa to appear in each scene you want, here's what we have to do. Type --cref in the prompt. That's the parameter for character reference. Then what you can do is simple right-click on the Alexa's picture and copy the image address or image link. Paste the image link after --cref and make sure that there is a space between cref and your link. And when you hit enter, you'll get result like these. Here are our character, here is our Alexa in different scenes. How amazing is this? How much fun this is going to be? How many opportunities does this open up for you? I'd love to hear from you in the comments section. Please let me know how you plan on using consistent characters. There are some other things to know about using this feature, though mainly that isn't perfect right now at least. As we can see that the girl is still wearing the white suit, and the new image is copying all the things from original image. But we only want her face to use in the new image. What we have to do here? So in order to get around that, Midjourney actually provided a new parameter that we can use --CW. That stands for character weight. We can use a value between 0 and 100 to influence the weight of our reference picture. And that might be a little frustrating to remember, considering how different parameters have different range values, character weight of 0 to 100. You might also have noticed that our character link has been shortened once it has been generated. That's going to be important because we can use the just shortened link rather than that big long one before. So I'm actually going to highlight this and copy it to my clipboard. And then here's like the biggest tip I have for you. This is going to save you so much time. What you have to do is, on Discord, you are going to type prefer option set into the prompt box. When you click on it, you have to click here one more. That will bring up value. Now you have 2 boxes down here to enter information. In value, I am going to paste our image link. That's the link to our character. And in the option box, we'll name our shortcut. You can call your shortcut whatever you want. I am going with Alexa. Press enter, and you'll see Alexa set to image link. Now type your prompt whatever you want. And after your prompt, just insert your custom shortcut, --Alexa, and hit enter. As we can see here again, Midjourney is picking up almost all the details of our reference image, but we only want her face in new generation. To solve this, we'll use our character weight parameter. Let's set it to 0 so that AI only picks her face, not all the details. So here is the result. See how nicely I used her face in the images. You can try image weight according to your own desire and taste. So that was the tutorial on Midjourney new feature. If you like this video, please like and subscribe the channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon. If you have any query, can drop down in the comment section. I'll resolve that to my best in the later video. Thanks.